Just a minute, huh? All could you hear me properly, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Start. Just a minute, there is a problem with mobile, okay? 2 minutes. हाँ. You could see the board?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
This we can see the board partially.
Yes, miss.
See the board far?
No, miss. Yes, yes. Partially we can see the
Partially
board.
we can see.
You can see what I have written on the board?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Yes,
Miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so we have 3 states of matter around us, and these states are because of the presence of energy in them. Okay, all the substances are made up of atoms, molecules. Okay, so we classify the substances into types, no, according to our uses, isn't it? Some of the substances we classify as metals and non-metals or metalloids. Some substances we classify as bad conductors and good conductors or semiconductors. Some substances we classify according to the light, opaque, transparent, and translucent. Some substances we classify according to their formation, what is contained in them. So we can call them as elements, compounds, and mixtures. So according to our uses, we classify the substances into types. So some substances also we classify them as acids, bases, and salts. Okay, so all these things you are going to study from your primary. You have been studying all these substances, but now you have to go study in detail. Okay, so solid, liquid, and gases, these are the substances. What these substances, how they appear when they are around you. Now, solid substance, can you name some solid substance?
Wood.
Yes.
Sodium.
Chalk,
Chair. Chair.
sodium,
Table.
paper, chair, book,
Wood.
mobile.
Wood.
Yes. substances. Substance means which will flow.
Yes. Water.
Yes, water, milk,
Petrol.
juice, petrol, kerosene. Very good. And gaseous substances.
Air.
vapor,
This water vapor.
Hydrogen.
Oxygen.
Yes. Okay. So those substances are there. No, why they are like that? No, some substance. Suppose we take water. Water you will find in three states in your surrounding. Correct? No. Water you will
Yes.
find in three states in your surrounding.
Yes.
That
Yes.
states.
Yes.
What are the three states of water?
Yes.
See, on my table I have put this water is in which state?
Solid state.
Solid. State.
Solid.
This
Solid
water is
state.
Solid.
Solid.
this water is in
Solid. State.
liquid,
Liquid.
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 what I am going to show you. Now, see, I am pouring this water with the help of the thermos. It has some fumes, no? You see, vapors.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
So that the water is in which state?
gaseous,
Steam.
Yes. Yes.
No? Steam. Why they are in different states? What is happening in them? So why these states are like that of water? Now this will start melting and it will become water now.
Water.
Why this is in this state? Why this water is in liquid state, and why the other water is in gaseous state? What is there inside them? Now we'll do one activity. Okay, have you seen those things?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We'll do one activity and just see. Here there is a plate. Could see a plate, and these are some vatanas here.
Yes.
Here and that. See what is happening. What is happening here? They are being spread far, no?
Yes.
Yes.
And very fast.
Yes, very fast.
Yes.
So suppose this one grain is a atom, or either we can consider it as a molecule. Okay. Now there is a lot of space here, and these two of them, each of them are far away from each other. Could see? And if
Yes.
I move it, they will move fast. Okay, because they have proper place also, as well as they are very far away from each other. If you take them very
Each
close,
other.
see here what is happening. The distance between two atoms is very less. Correct? What is happening here?
Yes.
These are not now atoms, these are atoms now. Okay, distance between them is very less. Could see? They are now. And if you move them, for moving, what I am doing? I am giving them energy, isn't it? I am spreading them. Now the distance between each of them is more. Okay, so there is a bond in between the two atoms. Okay, so this bond, because of the bond in between these two atoms, okay, there is a bond, suppose in these two atoms, and this bond, if it increases or decreases, if this bond increases or decreases, this is decreased bond, or if they go far away from each other, then if they come close to each other, then what you call them as? If this atom come close to each other, what you will call them as? Which state they will be?
Solid.
Which state they will be? Solid.
Solid.
Yes.
Solid.
Solid.
All the atoms are close to each other. Okay, they are far away from each other. And in gas, still they are far away from each other. Okay, and here they could move. So this is one activity here, just to know what is solid and liquid. liquid together. That means I can compress them. Okay, so this is called as compression. I can bring together and make them as solid. So some of the gases or some of the liquid we can compress. Gas we can compress and make them as either liquid or solid. A gas cylinder, that gas which is filled, that gas is compressed. Okay, and when it is open, when you open the knob again, it's, you're understanding this concept of solid, liquid and
Yes.
gas.
Yes.
Yes.
Miss.
The time now. Okay, good. So these three states of matter are there. You could see the board.
Yes.
Three states of matter are there. I have drawn some diagram here. These are not balloons. What are they? You could identify. Imagine what these are. Just now I have showed you
Molecules of
on the tape.
Molecule.
Yes, molecules. Yes, molecules, or I can atom. These molecules are close to each other. These molecules are far from each other and they are very far from each other. So here we call them as this bond which is there in between. We call this as intermolecular bond. Okay, there is a force of attraction in between these substances. These are called as intermolecular bond or intermolecular force. Okay, so because of this bond or because of this force, they are close to each other or they are far away from each other. Now, this bond is because of the gain of energy. They gain some energy from the surrounding. Now, this energy is in the form of heat. Okay, so they gain energy. That means they gain heat energy, and because of heat, they come either close to each other or either go far away from each other. We make ice, isn't it? From the water. No, this is water. This is water, and we make ice. How we make ice of the water?
By freezing water.
When water
By
is
freezing water.
lowering
down the temperature.
okay, when
By
we
lowering
freeze
down
the
the
water, we can convert it into ice. Now, what do you mean by freezing water? What do you mean by freezing it scientifically? What do
Slowing
you mean by
down the
freezing?
temperature of water.
Yes, slowing down the temperature of water.
What is the temperature?
0 degree.
What do you mean by
0 to 5 degree.
Minus degree.
No, what do you mean by the word temperature?
The humidity of the place.
What do you mean by the word temperature? Temperature means the measurement of heat.
Yes.
You remember this? Temperature means the amount of heat present in that substance. And this word is given for digital. No, whatever temperature, if I ask you what is your body temperature, you will not say my body temperature is so much, my body temperature is so less. You will not say that. If I ask you temperature, naturally you are going to tell me some number. Okay, so what is your body temperature? It is 37 degree Celsius. Normal body temperature is 37 degree Celsius.
Celsius.
Temperature of the water. If I ask you what is the temperature of the water, what are you going to bring to tell me the temperature of this water?
Thermometer.
Are you going to put your say it is very
Thermometer.
hot?
Thermometer.
Yes, thermometer. You will bring thermometer to measure the temperature. Okay. So temperature and that word you remember, it can be asked in some of those exams. So temperature means the amount of heat present in that substance. Okay. So the substances are according to the amount of heat present in them. Correct? Now in ice and water, where is the heat more? In this ice and in this water?
In
In the
water.
water.
In which
Water.
Yes, in water the heat is more, even though you don't feel it, but
More.
they have gained a lot of energy. Okay, and because of that energy, they are either far away from each other or either they are close. Your energy is less. Okay, your energy is more and you're still more. You know, when you have more energy, you feel like to run. Correct? That means because you have more energy. So same thing about the
Yes.
water. When water gets more energy, what will happen? It will leave that place and move out in the environment. So it will run out. So, and again to catch them back, what you have to do? You have to lower down the force, lower down the energy, removing out the energy. When you remove out the energy from the water, what will happen? When you remove out the heat from the water, what will happen?
Ice.
It will get converted into ice.
Yes, good, Rashil.
Yes.
It will get into ice. Okay, this means I am removing out the heat. Now this ice, it has started melting. You could see
Yes.
first when I now what
Yes.
they are doing, it is turning into water. That means
Yes.
it is giving
Yes.
the energy from the atmosphere. Now I haven't kept it on the gas stove, correct? No. So from where it is taking the heat? It is taking the heat from my room, correct? From the
Yes.
atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
So today what you have studied here is the intermolecular force in between the substances. Substances are found into three states because of the presence of energy in them or presence of heat in them. They have got some force of attraction. This force of attraction we call the force of attraction as intermolecular
Intermolecular bond.
Yes, or intermolecular bond or force. And because of that only they get a definite shape. Okay? They get a definite shape because of intermolecular bond in between them. So, eyes you can make the eyes into any shape. Okay? Got that? So here the force is less or more. Intermolecular force is less because energy is more here. Okay? Your force is more. Okay, energy is less. Got that? They are close to each other. That means they are tightly packed with each other. So these are solid. This is solid. This is liquid. It is. Those are gases. So today's homework is. I think our time is getting over.
Okay, miss.
Somebody
It's
has
10
joined now.
minutes.
Today's
10
homework-
minutes.
10 minutes are there.
10 minutes.
Today's
Yes.
what you
10 minutes.
is we will again just one. Okay, so what you have to, I will tell today's homework. What today's homework is: composition of matter. That lesson till one page you have to read this, as well as there are given activities. Can you tell? Page number 39. Can you tell? You could see.
Yes.
These two questions are there.
Yes.
Two questions you have to answer. Draw the diagram 6.2. Note it down whatever I am saying. Draw the diagram 6.2 and write about intermolecular bond or intermolecular force. Equimolecular force, you mention about solid, liquid and gases. Write five examples of solid gases. Okay. So
Okay.
yes, tomorrow we will meet at 10 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will send you the link and we'll meet at 10 o'clock and we'll study the further part of the lesson. Now today I'm again with 10th standard. Okay. So nice to see you all. All are safe, no?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes. How did you feel like today attending the school?
I have.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
Tomorrow, decide some of you take an assembly in the morning. How assembly? Prayer for the day. You will decide. Will decide among you.
No, me.
No.
No. No.
I will tell the names.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
You will say the prayer. Mansi,
Yes.
thought for the day. And Prachi, some facts you bring. 4 facts. Facts, amazing facts. Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet at 10 o'clock. I will send the link and we will complete some part of the lesson. You have understood how to join this?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay,
Yes.
my yesterday's video was helpful to you.
Yes.
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 Okay, shall we leave now? Shall we
Yes,
leave?
miss. Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, bye bye. Take
Bye,
care.
miss. Bye, miss.
Miss.
No, bye.
Miss.
Miss, take care from Corona.
Go Corona.
Oh, it's Corona.
Send record.